Guys, I'm super excited to share with you this DIY glass bottle sleeve that I came up with. Just a little hack, something I put together to protect your glass spray bottles when you're making your own products. In our house, we've got lots of small children and they're easily broken. So you buy these little sleeves off of Amazon, okay? And they're for your glass bottles, your drinking bottles, but they also fit your spray bottles. So all you have to do is cut off the top row of them. Don't throw that top piece away because I'm going to show you what you can do with that next. Set it aside. Take and add a little bit. This is the Doterra cleaning concentrate, so I'm going to add a little drop of that in there, rub it around, and dip that sleeve in water so that it makes it easy for the bottle to slide into. Hook your thumbs in the first two circles and grab your spray bottle and slide it right in. That's it. Now you just got to rinse it off and you're good to go. This cleaning concentrate is the best stuff in the world. You can get it following my link. It's Doterra cleaning concentrate, all natural. You don't have to worry about your kids touching toxic products. You put 1 tablespoon in that spray bottle, fill it up with water, and you're good to go. It lasts forever, and it's on sale this month, okay? So you know that little part we cut off? It's not going to waste because we're going to use these little 8-ounce spray bottles to make a little bug repellent. So as you can see, I have another one that I cut off before, and then we're just going to add a second one for the other side to protect the other side of the glass bottle. You might have to try to adjust it a little bit when you get it on there to make it smooth on the bottom so it stands evenly. But I'm making some bug spray. I'm adding 20 drops of Terrasheild, my absolute favorite bug repellent, a half a bottle of witch hazel, which costs pennies, and we'll top it with water. Non-toxic, works better than off. It is such good stuff. Spray it on. You don't have to worry about toxic stuff like DEET. If you'd like more ideas, like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and have a great day.